Vertical tomato gardens. They're trendy, they save space, and believe me, they come in all shapes and sizes. Whether you're a city dweller with a tiny balcony or a backyard gardener looking to level up, vertical gardens might just be your new best friend. But which one is the perfect fit for you? Stick around because we're diving deep into the world of vertical tomato gardening. From easy DIY hanging baskets to fancy high-tech stacked systems. And trust me, you haven't seen it all yet. The next system will totally amaze you. First off, why are vertical tomato gardens so popular right now? Well, urban spaces are shrinking faster than your last batch of tomato sauce, and gardeners everywhere are looking up. Literally. Growing tomatoes vertically saves precious space, keeps your plants healthier, and even adds a splash of green art to your home. Plus, who doesn't want fresh tomatoes right at arm's reach? Alright, let's break down the contenders. We have three main types to consider. Hanging baskets, simple, portable, and a visual treat. Great if you want to dangle your tomatoes like tasty decorations. Wall-mounted planters. Perfect for turning empty walls into green, fruit-bearing masterpieces. Stacked planters, the superheroes of vertical gardening, modular, customizable, and seriously productive. Every system has its perks and quirks. Let's weigh them out. Hanging baskets. Pros: easy to install, move around, and they look super cute. Cons: space is limited, so don't expect a tomato party. Also, they love water but hate getting soggy roots, and a strong breeze can be a real party pooper. Wall-mounted planters. Pros: they save space by using your walls, easy to maintain, and add a stylish touch to your home. Cons: you can only fit so many plants, water runoff might get messy, and your wall better be sturdy. Stacked planters. Pros: modular design means you can build it as tall or wide as you want, with great drainage to keep roots happy. Cons: higher upfront cost can get heavy when full, and you'll need a solid base to hold it all up. So how do you pick? Here's the quick checklist. Space check. Do you have a balcony, an empty wall, or maybe just a sunny corner? Budget balance. Are you going for a simple, wallet-friendly DIY, or ready to invest in something that'll last for years? Gardening style. Are you a hands-on watering warrior or prefer a low-maintenance setup? And what kind of tomatoes are you dreaming of? Cherry, beefsteak, or heirloom beauties? Now you're armed with the knowledge to pick the vertical tomato garden that suits you best. Why not start by visiting your local garden center or checking out online stores to see what's available? And hey, if you already have a vertical garden, drop a comment below and tell us where you're watching from. We love hearing from our MKIRIKACHA family all around the world. Before we jump to the next mind-blowing tomato garden hack that you definitely didn't see coming, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a juicy update. And believe me, you haven't seen it all yet. What's coming next will blow your gardening gloves off. Ready to get your mind and your garden blown? Stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching MKIRIKACHA TV. Remember, your perfect tomato garden is just a vertical step away. Until next time, keep growing, keep glowing, and keep those tomatoes coming.